There's a quiet luxury movement happening among elegant women, and no one is talking about it. It's called cultural hibernation. Not hiding, not shrinking. It's refining. The elegant woman pauses, not to retreat, but to rise inwardly first. She chooses a candlelight dinner with two women who feed her soul over a crowded launch party. She chooses a morning in silence over a morning of scrolling. This winter, I invite you to practice luxurious stillness, because your peace is your power and your presence is your glow.